This video features a time-lapse of the timber frame construction process. It focuses specifically on assembling and installing exterior walls using TX6 lumber. Key stages shown in the video. Layout and prep. The construction team prepares the lumber and marks the layout on the subflower. Framing assembly. The video demonstrates how the crew assembles wall sections horizontally directly on the foundation platform. Raising the walls. The process of lifting the assembled frame sections into a vertical position and securing them temporarily. Squaring and plumbing. Final steps involving connecting the corners and ensuring the structural geometry is precise. This video is helpful for those interested in construction technology, as well as professional builders looking at job site